Good morning. I am gonna show today my 6 a.m. morning routine. I'm ready to go to the gym already. And it's not that sunny today, it's a bit cloudy. I hope like when I come back it's a bit more sunny. We'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna bike. Hopefully I can record this. Okay, now I got home. It's raining. It's horrible. It's raining. But anyway, I'm gonna do my breakfast. I bike to my work because it's really raining. This is a overnight oatmeal that I prepare. I put it in this glass because I am new. My home is new. I don't have anything, so I put it in this glass to be overnight. And I'm putting some grapes. I'm putting this banana. I have banana. I think I'm gonna put it all. I don't know. And I'm gonna put a little bit of peanut butter. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just add a little bit of this almond milk, just to be a little bit more liquidy, but I like it. And we're gonna start eating. So this is the peanut butter that I bought online from Jim Beam. It's natural, no salt, no sugar, no anything. It's a bit different from the normal one, but I'm getting used to it. And I just use a little bit. I am ready, finished, I'm dressed. I am just making cold coffee and I am going to eat my toast before leaving. It's 8:10. I would love to be at work at 8:20. I don't know how realistic it's gonna be, but we're gonna try. And yeah, that's about it for now. I'm gonna go to work and probably see you later when I'm back at home. So there, I'm not gonna show this area of my body because I am just without a top because it's too freaking hot. I got home. I am working because I work outside work. I have some projects that I have to deliver. I am trying to close another one, and yeah, it's a bit crazy. I'm working currently, but yeah, basically that's what I'm doing right now. Later I'm gonna go shopping, grocery shopping, because I realized that my boyfriend and I, we are not shopping correctly. Oh, this is better light. We're not shopping correctly. We don't have like enough stuff. We just buy for like a day or two, and the things are like, finishing fast. But this week we're gonna buy for only this week and a bit of the other, because next week we're going to Croatia and I'm gonna take you with me. Hopefully I can vlog there. I will try to keep up with my gym, so I have to find at Steli's house where we were, like Steli's parents' house where we were staying before. I have to find my band, and some other things that I left there, so it's very exciting. It's the second time we go there, and we just chose it because it's the safest, it's the closest, and we couldn't find anything else, so we need the beach and we're gonna go there. So I'm gonna continue working. I haven't eaten anything. I just got from work, and yeah, we don't have anything yet, so yeah, that's where I'm at. So I'll see you later. Gym. I am so tired. I don't even think I can do the last round, but we're gonna try. And after that, I'm just gonna go home. So, okay, here we go. And I got home. I started my hairstyle, but I just lay down in the couch because I was super tired. And now I have to do something for dinner. I only have like 10 minutes before my Romanian class starts today, and I figure I'm gonna do a one sheet. Oh, excuse my little mess here. I don't like this thing. I have to change it, but it's the one that we had, so okay, can't do much. I'm preparing a one sheet pan, one with vegetables and a little bit of chicken, which is I'm gonna prepare it soon. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna just leave it in the oven, and probably I'm gonna eat that tomorrow for work. I usually take lunch to work because I don't want to be buying food. First, because of my money, you know, my pocket. Second, because I know that if I buy stuff from outside, I don't even know how they do it. So it's because I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to cut my calories. I don't know really what's going on, what they cook it, what if they put something else. So the best option is just to do it at home, since I already did, you know, groceries. And I think I'm gonna snack. I want to try and do chickpeas, but I don't know how because I've never done them before. So we will see. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. This is the one sheet pan meal. We have potatoes, we have pepper, we have carrots, onion, purple onion, and we have eggplant and some chicken breast. Honestly, I did it like 50 minutes just because I was watching videos, but hopefully it tastes good. And yeah, I'm just gonna prepare some snacks and I am going to my class. I just hate being rushed for things in general, and I don't like doing things rush. Food, makeup, getting dressed, it's just hair, oh my god. That's the thing with food. I'm preparing the oven. Fun fact, I never used an oven until I think now, 28. Not in Florence. I don't think we had one. Did we have one? I don't even know. I think so. But anyway, I didn't never use it because I didn't know how to. I had one at home in Panama. We had one, but we just couldn't figure it out. I couldn't figure it out. I started burning stuff. My mom didn't even use it. She just cooked normally, you know, a Tita mom. She cooked things in the pan and she just store bags in the oven. So we never used it. And now I'm learning. So that's the beauty of the oven. You can just put stuff in there. Also, I want to buy like a cooker, slow cooker. That's the next one. That's the next grown-up girl, grown-up woman gift. Hello, good morning. Today we are, well, Saturday. We are cleaning a little. I'm cleaning a little. And now I'm cleaning my kitchen. And later we are gonna go to Stella's brother, my boyfriend's parents, to their house to have a little summer day and clean something else there. And yeah, and after that I think we're just gonna gather some things because we are preparing to go to Croatia for a week or so. So it's exciting. And yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna keep cleaning and catch with you later. Basically, everyone that starts banana bread, it starts because you have banana. You don't know what to do with your banana anymore. So this is perfect. My first attempt ever, so pray to God this goes smooth. Comment below if you try to do this recipe while you were in lockdown. So now you're seeing the before. Let's cross fingers that this is gonna work. I'm gonna sprinkle some cinnamon and we will see.